Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart window tint. First, ensure your windows are spotless. Use a good glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to remove all dirt and grime. Next, carefully measure each window's dimensions. This helps you cut the film precisely, minimizing waste. Finally, gather your tools: a sharp utility knife, a squeegee, a spray bottle filled with soapy water, and a heat gun. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Once your windows are clean, it's time to cut the film. Lay the tint on a flat surface and use your measurements to cut it, adding about 1/2 inch extra on all sides for trimming. Liberally spray the window with your soapy water solution. This allows you to reposition the film. Gently peel the protective liner from the tint, exposing the adhesive. Carefully place the adhesive side onto the wet window, ensuring it covers the entire glass area. Now grab your squeegee. Starting from the center, firmly push outwards towards the edges. This action removes the soapy water and any trapped air bubbles, creating a smooth finish. Take your time and be thorough. Once the film is mostly smooth, use your utility knife to carefully trim the excess film along the window's edge. A sharp blade is crucial for a clean cut. Finish by re-squeegeeing the trimmed edges for a perfect seal. After application, the tint needs to cure. Do not roll down your windows for at least 3 to 5 days. This allows the adhesive to fully bond. For the first 30 days, avoid using ammonia-based cleaners on your new tint, as they can damage the film. Parking your vehicle in direct sunlight during the curing period can significantly help the film adhere properly. With these steps, your Walmart window tint will look great and last for years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.